I just wanted to do a quick video walkthrough of this property. We flipped it, and so it looks great. Did an amazing job. Staging is all done. Follow me to do a quick walkthrough. What we did here was we just stained the wood. We put in new aluminum siding on the side of the house, as well as cleaned it up, painted it, made it look great. So this house is a fairly tiny house, only 1,000 square feet, 2-story semi-detached. It's in the heart of Little Portugal, Duffin and Eglinton. So right when you walk in is a kind of a den, one bedroom. This was originally being used as an office as well. So we finished this by painting it up. Put in new hardwood flooring here. They opened this up as well to make it more open concept, and we actually we fit in a small two-piece bathroom there. So this bedroom actually has 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, as well as a finished basement. So a nice kitchen. This was actually a previous extension done on the house. With a nice skylight here. Let me walk you through upstairs on what we did there. So this we had to put in new pot lights, and the challenge was working with an older house is the plaster. So we had to be creative and actually re-drywall over the plaster. And what we did here is we sanded and refinished the floors, painted all the existing wood, made it look a little bit contrasting color, and staged it really well. Put in new light fixtures as well, just to make it more bright. Here's our bathroom here. This is our 2nd bedroom upstairs. Again, this is supposed to be our master bedroom. It used to be in very rough shape, but put in some nice neutral paint. We also put in about 6 windows in this house as well. Follow me to the basement real quick. It's the basement makes it look really a lot more spacious. There was an existing bathroom there already, and what we did was just freshen it up a little bit. So this can be used as another basement apartment. We just need to put in the appliances here, but other than that, it's in good shape. It's an optional if somebody wants to have this as a rental property. And yeah, in a nice beautiful open space, put in new carpets here, and that's pretty much it. So again, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time, and big thumbs up if you liked the video.